Hi guys, today we're going to be doing another geometry problem. Okay, here's the problem. Write the equation of the line that is parallel to 4x plus 6y equals negative 42 that passes through the point negative 6, negative 2 in standard form. All right, so where should we start? Well, let's talk about standard form first of all. What does standard form mean? Well, here's the equation of a line in a standard form. ax plus by equals C, okay? Where A must be positive and an integer, okay? A positive integer, all right? So we need the equation of a line that is parallel to this line here. So let's write that down. So 4x plus 6y equals negative 42. What do we know about parallel lines? Okay, parallel lines have equal slopes. Okay, so in parallel lines, if L1 is parallel to L2, then we know the slope here, M1, is going to be equal to M2. Okay, so that's what we know about parallel lines. So let's go back again to this problem here. And look at this immediately and see what the slope is. Most of us cannot do that. So we need to find the slope. What's the best way to do that? Let's convert this for right now to slope-intercept form, which is what? Y equals mx plus b, where the slope is m, b is your y-intercept, okay? So let's convert it to that form so that I can easily tell what my slope is, right? So first thing we need to do, let's get rid of this 4x. Because remember, our goal is to isolate our y. So let's isolate our y, all right? So what are we left with on this side? 6y equals negative 4x minus 42. Okay, isolate y. What's next? Get rid of the 6. Divide by 6. Divide that side by 6. Divide this side by 6. What's left? Y, 6x minus 42 over 6. Okay, we're not going to leave it like that. We can simplify that. So y equals negative 4 over 6. If we divide both by 2, we get negative 2 over 3x. And a negative 42 divided by 6 gives me a negative 7. Okay, so there we go. Right, now it's in slope-intercept form. So what is my slope? Slope, right, is right here in front of the x. So the slope is negative 2 over 3. Okay, so that means the line that I need to write needs to have a slope of this. M must equal negative 2 over 3. And we have a point. They gave us a point. What is the point? Negative 6, negative 2. Okay, this is our point. This is x1, this is y1. So guess what? We have a point. We have a slope. Let's use point slope, right? What does point slope say? What is that equation? Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, okay? Where m is our slope and our point is at x1, y1. Okay, so let's fill it in. So y minus, what is y1? Negative 2. Here, right? M, what is our slope? Negative 2 over 3, right? And x minus, what is x1? Negative 6. Okay, with me so far? Let's simplify this. So that would be y plus, a double negative gives me a positive, y plus 2 equals negative 2 over 3. A double negative gives me a positive, x plus 6. Okay, can I leave it like this? No, let's keep going. Okay, so y plus 2 equals negative 2 over 3x. Okay, and now I'm going to distribute that to both items in those parentheses, in the parentheses. Okay, so that means what? I have a positive 6 times a negative 2 thirds. Okay, let's keep going. Y plus 2 equals negative 2 over 3x. And let's simplify that. That would be what? Negative 12 over 3. Okay, I can keep going. Y plus 2 equals negative 2 over 3x. Negative 12 divided by 3 is what? Negative 4. Okay, what do you say? Can we stop here? No, remember, it said the problem asked for our our answer in standard form. What is standard form again? AX plus BY equals C, right? Where A is a positive integer. Okay, so let's go. We need to get it into this format. So notice A needs to be positive. A is our X term. So how about we move this 2/3 X to the opposite side of the equation, right? So that would be a good first step. So 2/3 X, okay, what do I have left on this side of the equation? I have a Y plus 2, okay, this would cancel out, equals a -4. What should I do next? The X term is here, the Y term is here, but the constant term needs to be on the other side. So let's get rid of this 2. So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. Okay, so that leaves me 2/3 X plus Y, these cancel, equals -6. Okay, it looks like I'm done, but no. Look at this. 2/3 X. What did we say? In standard form, A must be a positive integer. It's positive, but it's not an integer. 2/3 is a fraction, not an integer. Okay, so we need to get rid of that fraction. How do we do that? Well, what is the denominator? 3. Okay, so if we multiply this whole thing, right, both sides of the equation by 3, that will eliminate the fraction. Okay, so let's distribute that 3 to both sides. So 3 times 2/3, right? I'm going to be left with 2. So 2x plus that 3, right? So again, we are taking this 3 and we are distributing it to everything, right? In these brackets. Everything needs to get the 3, right? So 3 times 2/3 gives me 2x. 3 times y will just give me 3y, right? And then 3 times -6 gives me -18. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our final answer. 2x plus 3y equals -18. Thanks. We'll see you next time.